Namaste, welcome to Geeta's kitchen. Today we are going to make a special kind of rasam which is known as Dwadashi Rasam because it is generally made on Dwadashis. That is the day after Ekadashi. Now for the speciality is we are not going to use any tamarind or tomato or lemon in this rasam. Generally for rasam we use one of these or a combination of these. This rasam will not have any sourness from tamarind, tomato or lemon. Let's see how to do it. For that I have taken quarter cup of Tuvar Dal and pressure cooked it and kept it aside in plenty of water. This is the Dal Water which I have decanted. We'll use this also so that we get the complete nutrition from the dal. Apart from that, we have to roast some ingredients and grind into a masala. About quarter cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of Tuvar Dal, some pepper, Jeera, dry red chillies. We are going to lightly roast in oil and grind to a paste. Apart from that, we'll need salt, turmeric powder and some Asafoetida. So let's start. First step, we'll just heat a little bit of oil in a pan. To the oil, add the Tuvar Dal and then quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of Jeera, dry red chillies. These are not very spicy, so I am taking 3 red chillies. And then add in the grated coconut also. Roast them all together. And then we'll grind it into a paste in the blender jar with the addition of some water. Let's keep this aside to cool. Next, in the bowl in which you want to make the rasam, I'll take this dal water itself and then add some Hing or Asafoetida to it and also add a pinch of turmeric powder. Meanwhile, we'll grind these masalas to a fine paste in the jar. Next, add some salt to this and this ground paste. Add to the boiling rasam. Now we'll continue heating this till it starts boiling and we can add as much water as required. That's why I have used the dal water. If you use the dal itself, it will become very thick and it will not be like a rasam. Rasam is generally of a watery consistency. So we take the dal water and then add this ground masala to it along with salt, hing and turmeric powder. And we'll allow it to come to a boil. If you like, you can even add a little more of the cooked Tuvar Dal to it. Now it has started boiling and frothing up. Add some coriander leaves to it. Switch it off and keep it aside. Next, we have to season it. For seasoning, we'll use ghee and mustard seeds. So heat some ghee in a pan and when the ghee is hot, we'll add the mustard seeds. Again, the dry chilies which you used, if you don't want it spicy, you can reduce it because these chilies are not spicy. I used 3 of them. Normally, you can use just 1 red chilli also initially to check the spice level for your family. Especially for children, they will not be able to eat very spicy food. Just add 1 red chilli and 2 or 3 black peppercorns. That is also enough. Then you can adjust according to your family's taste. Let us season it now with some mustard seeds and also some cumin seeds or jeera. Pour it over the hot rasam. And your Dwadashi Rasam or no tamarind, no tomato, no lemon rasam is ready. Do try it out, especially in the rainy season. You can have it even as a soup or along with rice. Rasam is served with rice. It tastes very good. So try out the recipe and share it with your family and friends. As I always say, there is a science behind our Indian vegetarian food, which the tradition has been coming down for centuries. See, on Ekadashi, generally people undertake fasting. So on Dwadashi, they eat food which is light, easy to digest, and also nutritious. So we make a type of greens also along with it, and then have this rasam without tamarind, tomato, or lemon. So please share the recipe and subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Tap the bell icon for notifications about my latest updates. Thank you.